Chase 1 to Chase 2, you guys copy? Conejo, conejo, ancho, ancho. ¿Me escuchan? ¿Me copian?
Who are you trying to reach right now?
Chase 1, they were working on 2968. They had a problem with the T-map sensor, so we just want to know if they're moving right now. We're waiting for them.
Chase 2, Chase 1, the car is fixed and they're on their way to you guys now.
Copy you. Thank you. So they might be here probably 30 to 40 minutes.
They still look strong and confident. They're determined. Paul and Jason, they're ready to hammer out this last 100 miles of 480, which is probably the toughest 100 miles yet to come for their stretch. So right now we're going to wrap and pack, get ahead of them, and be ready for whatever they need when they come out of the hellhole.
Hey Brian, what's our game plan?
Yeah, our game plan is get it to the finish, and then we'll get a little seat time and just go smooth and just get a little practice. Maybe we can hone in our skills.
Yeah, at race mile 234, the guys had a voltage problem, so unfortunately they had to stop, and then they had to change the front diff, so it took a bit long. But after race mile 272, they had some more voltage problems. But it's gonna be fine now because now it's daytime, so we won't have to put the lights on. So we're gonna go for it. I mean, it's a good opportunity for us to train more and to just see how our pace is, how Brian was saying before. I'm pretty excited. At least to get the car at the end is gonna be great.
We're at 480. We had some mechanical problems over the night. We're down several hours, so Christine and I are gonna hop in the car, go to the finish. Looks like the sun is just starting to come up over Baja. It's good. I think Christine feels good, I feel good, and we'll just take it from here.
So I'm finishing my race at mile 480. I've been in the car for about 16 hours, and here in Catavina, and handing the car off. She's going to take it to Sonata, and we're going to get this race finished.
I just want to start going. We got in at 480, and unfortunately the car, obviously Paul had a few issues with the diff and so on, and we were without brakes, completely without pedals, so it wasn't fun. But I mean, it's okay. We got stuck in silt. Also, the car seems like the suspension is not absorbing, so we need to work that out. The guys have been working on it right now, so hopefully we're gonna get up to it again. Of course, we're not in the race anymore, but we're gonna have fun and just try to get it to the finish line.
I think finishing this race, even though
you know, whatever place we come in doesn't matter at this point. But it matters that the whole team came down here, they worked together, and we got to the end. We could have pulled the plug any time after mile 300. We could have pulled the plug and just said, hey, we're just going to pack it up and go home. But people sacrificed a lot of time, a lot of commitment, and it's going to make our team better for the next race.
Yeah, for sure we did not give up. I mean, our objective was winning, but of course you never know what happens. And Paul started the race with many problems. And when they handed us the car at 480, we had no brakes and a few more issues, no four-wheel drive and so on. And we got stuck a few times, we got unstuck a few times, we saved a few people. So I don't know, in the end it was more of a race of just survival, but this is Baja, right? So you can never expect what you really want. So we're really excited to be here, that's enough. I'm super tired, but I'm really excited. And next week I'm racing in Portugal, so I'm just thinking already, wiping off and starting over again for next week.